We finally got our Universal Yums box for this month in. For some reason, my post office like holds it hostage for forever, like 2 weeks. Okay, this is gonna be a quick one because I have to go to work. I'm on my lunch break, but look where we're going, South Korea. Isn't that awesome? I bet you there's gonna be so many good ones in this box. We've got our little booklet here. We'll look at it if we need it. And got a cute little sticker. Oh, it's like a little underwater guy. All right, so here's the box. Let's see what's first. Whoop. Got a plate here, and I've got a napkin somewhere. It's the first thing that I see. Churros snack. Ooh, yum. Yeah, oh, look how it opens. It's weird. These look really cute. Ooh. Yum. Smells really good, like kind of cinnamony. It's really good. Yeah, I like those a lot. Ooh. They're very crispy. Very good. What does it taste like? It tastes like those little things from Taco Bell. Sorry, Bear. Sorry. Bear. I can see him. It tastes like those things from Taco Bell, the little cinnamon twists. They're really good. All right, next I see, I'll grab something that looks a little bit more savory. Spicy chicken corn puffs. Ooh. Don't think it's actual chicken, but it'll taste spicy, I guess. Let's see if it tastes spicy. Right. Those are really good. Gosh. I like those. They're kind of sweet at first. And they're very crispy. Again, like these, but it's like a little corn puff sort of thing. Yeah, corn puffs. But very crispy. Very good. It's got a little bit of spice, like after you're done chewing and stuff. I don't know if it tastes like chicken. It almost has the flavor of like ramen noodles or something. So yeah, I like these too. This is good. The last box was turkey, and I think this is already way better. Next thing I see. Ooh, oh, yum! Choco Pie banana. It looks like those little moon pies. Do y'all like the banana moon pies or the, do they make banana? Or is it vanilla? Maybe it's both, I don't know. They also make chocolate ones. This one is chocolate banana. So, yum, that already sounds good. I'll just have a little tiny bite. Well, I'll break it in half. Yum. Oh. Yeah, it tastes just like the little moon pies that we have here. Maybe a little bit better. I don't know. The chocolate is like a little bit thicker and it's good. It's like a good texture. So, that's a good little snack. Yeah, there's only like a couple more things in here. I feel like there should be more. There's usually like a little bag of candy or something. Well, I do see some candy. Okay, I'm gonna try. Yeah, I'll do this. Pepero. Crunchy. Crunky. All right, let's open it. Ooh, look at that. It's like in a little secret package. I don't know why they hold my boxes hostage every month, but anyway, it doesn't look like anything melted much, so okay. Maybe you're just supposed to, there we go. Yum! Thumbnail! It's got like little rice puffs all over the chocolate. So it's like kind of crunchy. And then the pretzel gives you that little pretzel, kind of burnt pretzel taste. But in a good way. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Everything's so good so far. I think I know what my favorite is so far though. Okay, there's only a couple more things. Let's see. Okay, the only English word I see, if it's even a word, delicious. Delicious. Oh, at the bottom it says strawberry gummy. So, which word is more fun? Delicious or strawberry gummy? They look so cute. Strawberry gummy. These are nice. I like these. Little snack. Little gummy snack. I usually don't like strawberry flavored things that much, but this is good. I like gummies with the like kind of this white layer on the bottom. It's cool. I like it. It's a nice little texture. The gummy is like not hard. It's like soft gummy. Soft gummy. Okay. There's one more thing already. One more thing. Wow. I didn't think I'd be this quick. Sweet and sour chewy. Sweet and sour chewy. Grape. What do y'all like better? Grape flavored stuff or strawberry flavored stuff or cherry flavored stuff? I don't like cherry flavored stuff. I like grape. Yas. Da da da. I'm opening it. It almost feels like it's gum. I think it's supposed to be sort of like a lifesaver. Is that what they're called? Saver chews. I don't know what they're called, but they're really, really chewy. It's not a Starburst, but it looks like one. But they're a save for later. I don't know. So this is what it comes out. It's like individually wrapped little guys here. Yum. Okay, it's not like super hard. It's not super soft either. It's like, yeah, it's like chewy. Not as chewy as these little guys, the strawberry things. These are like gummy. It says it's sweet and sour. I mean, I don't know, it's not really that sour. It tastes like grape. Grape is kind of sour already, I guess. Purple grape. Well, no. Green grape is more sour to me than purple grapes. I like purple grapes better. This is good. I mean, it does taste like, you know, that artificially flavored grape. So if you don't like artificially flavored grape, probably not gonna like these. But I like it, so. Okay. There was nothing bad in this box. Although, it's a very sweet box. There's only one savory thing and it started out pretty sweet. Okay, so let's just kind of go over what all we got. Okay, this, which one like sounds the best to you? Comment. Which one sounds really good to you? They're all really good. There wasn't any bad ones in this box. The last box, the turkey box, go watch that video. We had some weird stuff in that box. And I did end up eating it all, but we had some weird stuff. All right. This was an awesome box. Thank you, South Korea. Thank you, Universal Yums. But yeah, my favorite thing was, these are really good. Great texture too. I'm so sorry about my squeaky chair. I'll try not to move, but these churro snacks, These are very good. Awesome texture, great flavor. Yeah. And so this is my favorite thing. I don't really think there's not a worse thing. There's nothing that I ate that was the worst. These weren't that like special, these little pretzel sticks, but they're good. I mean, hey, let me try one of these guys again. They're really tiny. I mean, these don't really have that much flavor. They're a little bit hot. Oh no, there's nothing bad in this box. Did you get a Universal Yums box this month? What was your favorite thing? Which item would you like to try? Comment down below. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. One little question here. One South Korean festival celebrates, one South Korean festival celebrates A, nail polish, B, kites, C, cheese, D, mud. What do y'all think it is? Huh, Avalon, what do you think? D, there's a mud festival. There's a mud festival in South Korea. The Boryung Mud Festival started in 1998 as a marketing event for a cosmetics line made from mud. That's cool. So now there's a festival for mud. Anyway, thank you for watching. Comment down below which one would you like to try. New videos every week. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.